shotgun, mommy. Shoot that frog, mommy, and we're going to eat that frog. Hello, look at my pet. My pet is an egg, but it's a Godzilla inside. It's so big. It will gonna eat your frog. Yes, it's a baby Godzilla, mommy. Stop, I'm talking to them, mommy. Why are you laughing? You think I'm joking, huh? That's no Godzilla. Wait until it hatch and you're gonna see the Godzilla. He is a bad baby. Stop talking, Mom. I'm the boss. Mommy, Buster, they're running. They want to get away. Don't let them get away. Ipapakain ko sila kay Godzilla. Naku po, baka mabasag yung itlog ko. Oh no, Mommy, they have a car. They are running, Mommy. Oh no, Mommy, please. Ilabas mo yung kotse mo, Mommy. Buster, Mommy, baka makahabol tayo sa kanila. Mommy, oh. Mommy, meron tayong banana boat. Banana car, let's go. Go, banana boat. Ang bilis ng banana boat. Ayun sila, Mommy. Bilis mo, Mommy. Baka makataka sila. Hello, guys. Let's eat because I'm hungry. And I will eat whatever I want. Ano ba pwede natin maluto dito? Wala naman kayong pagkain dito. Ito na. Alam ko na. Lulutuin natin yung itlog ko. Come on, itlog. Sige, pumasok ka sa loob. Pasok mo sa loob, tutulak kita. Sige, kaya mo yan. Pumasok ka sa loob. Para may maluto. Ala, umiilaw yung itlog ko. Umiilaw yung itlog ko. Oh, what happened to my egg? Oh no, it became a dog. Let's cook the dog. Mommy, let's cook the dog. Kate, cook the dog, Kate. I'm hungry and this dog is very delicious. No! Cook the dog, Mommy! He is a bad baby! I don't know what to do! I have a dog too. Then we have 2 dogs to eat! We're going to eat 2 dogs! This is very delicious! Let's party! Dog party! No! I'm going to eat my dog! I'm going to eat my dog!